Spectrum's Wi-Fi 6E routers, like the SAC21K and SAT3V2K, sometimes need resetting to fix connection issues or firmware glitches. There are two main types of resets: soft resets, reboots, and factory resets. A soft reset restarts the router without erasing your settings. Think of it like restarting your phone. It clears the cache and refreshes connections to solve minor issues. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the router to its original state, wiping out all custom settings like your Wi-Fi password and parental controls. This is useful for more serious problems, or if you forget your admin password, but you'll need to set everything up again afterward. Routers have light indicators to tell you what they are doing. For example, solid white light means the device is operating normally, while a blinking red light indicates an error. Make sure the router is powered on before resetting, and use an Ethernet cable for wired access if you need to troubleshoot or use the Spectrum app. Let's walk through the reset processes. For a soft reset, simply unplug the router from the power outlet, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for it to boot up and reconnect. This resolves most minor issues. Now, for a factory reset on a model like the SAC3V2K, locate the small reset button on the back of the router. Use a paperclip to press and hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs flash. Release the button, and the router will reboot to its factory defaults. You'll then need to set it up again using the Spectrum website or app. The Spectrum app reduces the need to reset manually. Open the app and go to the Device Management tab to conduct a remote reset. Remember that a factory reset will erase all your custom settings, so use it as a last resort. It's a good idea to back up your settings if possible before doing a factory reset.